Warm greetings to all of you watching the Live Well Everyday channel. Have you noticed that every time we make a refreshing glass of lemonade, we often squeeze out the juice and throw away the peel? Most of us have done this. Even I, a nutrition expert with 29 years of experience, once thought lemon peel wasn't worth keeping. That was until one day, I visited an elderly woman in her 80s who lived quietly at the end of a small alley. Every time I came, she would serve me a light lemon water and a plate of dried lemon peels. Curious, I joked, "Are you preparing candied lemon for the new year?" She simply smiled and said, "No, this is my medicine." She shared that due to financial hardship, she couldn't afford much medicine but knew that the lemon peel is the armor, protecting the fruit. Keeping it means keeping its vitality. She would dry the peels and, when tired, boil them for tea, soak her feet, or wash her hair, and for 3 years straight, she didn't need to take any medication. That evening, I dove into medical literature and research and discovered that lemon peel contains many valuable compounds such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and limonene essential oil, which have antioxidant properties, support heart health, aid digestion, reduce mild inflammation, and cleanse the body. These benefits have been studied, yet they're often overlooked in our daily lives. From that day on, I never wasted a piece of lemon peel again. Sometimes, just one small change can make a big difference to your health. And right now, I'll share with you 6 amazing benefits of lemon peel that you can start using immediately. Before we begin today's main content, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos from Live Well Everyday. Each video is a friendly, easy to understand share, helping you care for your health in the most natural and safe way. No fuss, no high cost. If you've ever used lemon peel in your own way or are wondering how to use it correctly and effectively, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer and accompany you every day. Wishing you all good health. And now, let's get started. Dear friends, first let me explain why lemon peel offers so many benefits. This thin outer layer contains even more vitamin C than the pulp, along with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that protect cells and support cardiovascular health. Limonene essential oil in lemon peel has antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to relax the mind. In addition, pectin in the peel supports digestion, slows sugar absorption, and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. In short, lemon peel is not waste, it's a source of valuable nutrients. However, all these effects are supportive and cannot replace prescribed treatment if you already have a medical condition. The first benefit lemon peel provides is its ability to help reduce inflammation and mild pain. Lemon peel contains a group of natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, notably flavonoids, limonene, and vitamin C. These active compounds work by inhibiting the formation of free radicals, the main cause of tissue damage and triggering inflammation in the body. At the same time, flavonoids help reduce the production of certain inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins, thereby easing swelling and soreness. This is especially helpful for people who often suffer from joint pain or muscle aches due to weather changes or heavy labor. In fact, some medical studies show that extracts from lemon peel and other citrus fruits can help reduce mild arthritis symptoms in the early stages when combined with a healthy diet. However, I want to emphasize that this effect is supportive. It helps improve discomfort but cannot replace treatment. Therefore, you can take advantage of lemon peel by making warm tea to drink, soaking your feet, or massaging sore muscles and joints to promote circulation, both relaxing and naturally helping to reduce inflammation. The second benefit of lemon peel is its ability to help protect the cardiovascular system. Lemon peel contains high levels of flavonoids and vitamin C, 2 components that numerous medical studies have shown to be beneficial for heart health. Flavonoids act as powerful antioxidants, protecting blood vessel walls from damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, the leading cause of heart disease and stroke. In addition, Vitamin C helps maintain the elasticity of blood vessels and supports collagen production in vessel walls, allowing blood to flow more smoothly. Some observational studies have also noted that diets rich in flavonoids from lemon peel and other citrus fruits are associated with mildly lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels, particularly by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol. By incorporating lemon peel into your daily diet, such as mixing it with warm water in the morning, using it as a seasoning, or soaking it in honey, you not only enjoy its refreshing flavor but also provide your body with compounds that support a healthier heart over time. However, like other benefits, this is a supportive effect. And for comprehensive heart protection, you still need to maintain a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and manage other risk factors. The third benefit of lemon peel is its ability to support digestion. Lemon peel contains a significant amount of soluble fiber, particularly pectin. Pectin acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria, helping to balance gut microbiota, which in turn improves nutrient absorption and boosts gut immunity. In addition, the limonene essential oil in lemon peel stimulates saliva and gastric juice production, aiding smoother digestion and reducing bloating or discomfort after meals. Some studies show that pectin can slow the absorption of sugar and starch, helping stabilize blood sugar levels and easing the workload on the pancreas. This is especially useful for people at risk of prediabetes or those managing their weight. Furthermore, antioxidants in lemon peel can help reduce mild inflammation in the stomach and intestinal lining, supporting those who often experience digestive issues due to irregular eating habits. You can take advantage of this benefit by using fresh or dried lemon peel in warm water in the morning, or combining it with other herbs such as ginger or lemongrass to both aid digestion and strengthen immunity. However, for those with severe gastric ulcers, it's best to start with a small amount to monitor your body's reaction and adjust accordingly. The fourth benefit of lemon peel is its ability to support skin health and slow aging. Lemon peel is rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient in collagen synthesis, a structural protein that keeps skin firm, elastic, and smooth. When your body has sufficient vitamin C, collagen fibers are maintained more effectively, helping reduce wrinkles and sagging. Moreover, lemon peel contains many antioxidants such as flavonoids and limonene, which neutralize free radicals, the main culprits of premature aging and skin dullness. Some studies suggest that diets high in antioxidants from citrus fruits can improve skin pigmentation, making skin brighter and more even-toned over time. Additionally, the essential oils in lemon peel have natural antibacterial properties, helping to cleanse the skin's surface and reduce the risk of inflamed acne when used properly. You can use this benefit in various simple ways: drinking warm lemon peel water daily to nourish skin from within, or boiling lemon peel to steam your face, which both deep cleans pores and stimulates blood circulation, resulting in a rosy, healthy complexion. However, when applying lemon peel directly to the skin, avoid sun exposure immediately afterward, as lemon essential oil can make the skin more sensitive to UV rays and prone to sunburn. If used regularly and correctly, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, brighter, and more youthful day by day. The fifth benefit of lemon peel is its role in supporting the body's natural detoxification process. Lemon peel contains many antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce stress on the liver, the main organ responsible for filtering and removing toxins. When the liver functions efficiently, it more easily eliminates waste, heavy metals, and environmental toxins, keeping the blood cleaner and other organs working more smoothly. Additionally, limonene essential oil in lemon peel stimulates detoxifying enzymes in the liver and supports fat metabolism, helping to prevent fatty liver at a supportive level. Beyond liver health, lemon peel also supports the kidneys in filtering blood and eliminating waste through the urinary tract. Some people drink warm lemon peel water in the morning to stimulate the excretory system, helping the body feel lighter and more refreshed. When maintained regularly, this habit may also reduce feelings of fatigue or sluggishness caused by toxin buildup. However, I must emphasize that lemon peel only plays a supportive role and cannot replace medical detox treatments if your body is facing serious health problems. To make the most of this benefit, you can combine fresh or dried lemon peel with other herbs like ginger or mint, which enhances cleansing effects while adding pleasant flavor. When the body is naturally and gently cleansed, your vitality will increase, and your mind will feel clearer and more energized. The final benefit of lemon peel is its natural antibacterial properties. Lemon peel contains a notable amount of essential oils such as limonene, citral, and several phenolic compounds, all of which have been studied for their ability to inhibit the growth of various harmful bacteria and fungi. Their mechanism is quite clear. Limonene and citral disrupt the cell membranes of microorganisms, rendering them unable to survive or reproduce, while creating an environment less favorable for bacterial growth. This is particularly useful for protecting the mouth, respiratory tract, and even the digestive system. Additionally, these antibacterial properties make lemon peel a natural ingredient for cleaning and deodorizing. When you mix warm lemon peel water with a bit of salt for gargling, you can reduce some of the bacteria that cause bad breath and soothe throat irritation during seasonal changes. Some people also use boiled lemon peel water to wash their hands, clean dishes, or wipe kitchen surfaces, safe and free from harsh chemical cleaners. Small-scale medical studies have shown that lemon peel extract can inhibit the growth of Streptococcus mutans, the primary bacteria responsible for tooth decay, as well as certain intestinal bacteria that cause diarrhea. While it cannot completely replace antibiotics, using lemon peel regularly as a supportive measure may help reduce the risk of mild infections, especially in the mouth and throat. When combined with a healthy diet and good personal hygiene, the natural antibacterial benefits of lemon peel can become a quiet yet effective shield, protecting your health every day. Dear friends, while lemon peel offers many benefits, there are important precautions to keep in mind to ensure long-term health safety. First, avoid consuming too much in one day. Lemon peel contains a relatively high concentration of essential oils, and excessive intake may irritate the stomach lining, increase acid production, and cause burning or discomfort, especially in those with gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux. Second, regarding ingredient sourcing, it's best to choose clean lemons, preferably organically grown. If you buy them from a market or supermarket, wash them thoroughly with diluted salt water or soak them in water mixed with vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse under running water to remove most of the pesticides and preservatives on the surface. Also, when using lemon peel externally, such as for massages, foot soaks, or hair rinses, remember that lemon essential oil can make the skin more sensitive to sunlight. This means that after direct sun exposure, the skin may become red, irritated, or even mildly blistered. Therefore, it's best to apply these treatments in the evening or ensure proper sun protection if going out during the day. Another note is to avoid using lemon peel for children under 1 year old or for individuals allergic to citrus fruits, as it may cause skin or digestive irritation. Lastly, I want to emphasize that lemon peel should only be considered a supportive health measure. It cannot fully replace medical treatment or doctor's instructions. If you are undergoing treatment, consult your physician or a nutritionist to ensure that using lemon peel is safe and appropriate for your condition. When you understand and follow these guidelines, I believe you can maximize the benefits of lemon peel while maintaining safety and sustainability for your health. My dear friends, sometimes the most valuable things are right in our own kitchen. We just haven't noticed them yet. Lemon peel, a part that many people have thrown away for years, is actually a gift from nature. It not only brings a fresh aroma but also contains compounds that can help your body become healthier and your mind more relaxed. If you know how to use it properly, health doesn't always require expensive or complicated solutions. Sometimes, simply keeping lemon peel, drying it, or using it fresh can give your body a natural armor that is both safe and effective. And if you find this story useful, why not start today and observe the changes in your health and energy? Thank you for joining me on Live Well every day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video so more people can learn how to turn small, simple things into a powerful source of health for the whole family. See you in the next video.